Sehingga Allah yang adalah sumber ketekunan dan penghiburan mengaruniakan kerukunan kepada kamu sesuai dengan kehendak Kristus Yesus, sehingga dengan satu hati dan satu suara kamu memuliakan Allah dan Bapa Tuhan kita, Yesus Kristus.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and
Saya adalah hamba Tuhan yang membawa firman-Nya kepada saudara berdua. Di dalam nama Allah Bapa dan nama Anak-Nya Tuhan Yesus Kristus dan nama Roh Kudus, aku berkata, apa yang dipersatukan oleh Allah tidak boleh diceraikan oleh manusia. Amin.
forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories.
Our tears, our prayers, our laugh, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. they're ours.
For a lifetime,
I'll love you, two hearts, one beat.
you whisper.
Halo, happy wedding untuk kakak yang tercantik, tersayang, tercinta Sarah Octaviola dengan Abang Doni. Menjadi keluarga yang lemah lembut, tetap harmonis, saling mencintai, saling menghargai, dan ditunggu adik bayinya.
I know we've waited and
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where I belong. At least all week, my heart is strong. So give me your word, and I'll give you all I got. No, we don't have much, but it sure feels like a lot. So take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Take my heart and take my hand. I'll be your lover and I'll be your friend. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Tapi di dalam pengharapan kami lebih lagi, biarlah keluarga kalian nanti Doni dan Buriku Sarah adalah keluarga yang menjadi contoh, jadi panutan di hadapan Tuhan.
I wanna smile.